We'll shift our focus back to the Kanchenjunga Express train accident. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has reached the train accident site, and this is what he had to say.
अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है, कंप्लीट फोकस है, जैसा आप स्वयं जानते भी हैं। मैं इसके बारे में बाद में डिटेल में चर्चा करूंगा। अभी मैं जरा पहले रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन ऑपरेशन का पूरा जायजा ले लूं और उसके बाद में पेशेंट कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी की रिपोर्ट आ जाए, उसके बाद में ही कुछ पता चल पाएगा। उससे पहले कुछ भी कहना गलत हो।
सर, कवर सिस्टम नहीं था।
Okay, so that's what the minister had to say. It's saying that the primary focus should only be on rescue and restoration. He refused to take any political questions. Let's just listen, play that reaction once again and listen to what the railway minister has to say.
अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है, कंप्लीट फोकस है, जैसा आप स्वयं जानते भी हैं। मैं इसके बारे में बाद में डिटेल में चर्चा करूंगा। अभी मैं जरा पहले रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन ऑपरेशन का पूरा जायजा ले लूं और उसके बाद में पेशेंट कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी की रिपोर्ट आ जाए, उसके बाद में ही कुछ पता चल पाएगा। उससे पहले कुछ भी कहना गलत हो।
सर, कवर सिस्टम नहीं था।
समय नहीं है, अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है, कंप्लीट फोकस है, जैसा आप स्वयं जानते भी हैं। मैं इसके बारे में बाद में डिटेल में चर्चा करूंगा। अभी मैं जरा पहले रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन ऑपरेशन का पूरा जायजा ले लूं और उसके बाद में पेशेंट कमिश्नर
Kamalika joins us now. Kamalika, we just heard the railway minister where he emphasized that the focus should be on the rescue and restoration work, saying that passenger safety is priority. Tell us a little bit more. Is he now at the accident site? How much time is he planning to spend there? He also said he's going to review the rescue operations that have been going on since morning.
Yeah, that's what he is doing now. Right now, he is on the spot. He is reviewing the situation out there. He is talking to the railway authorities and the officers out there. And from there, he will be moving to the hospital also to see the condition of the passengers who have been injured.
Kamalika, can you hear me? All right, we'll just try and establish Kamalika with my colleague Kamalika in a bit, but this is all related to the accident that took place early in the morning when a goods train collided with the Kanchenjunga Express. The incident taking place at New Jalpaiguri that resulted in several deaths, 9 confirmed so far and over 60 injuries. The incident once again highlighted the absence of the railway's anti-collision system coverage that is also designed to prevent such accidents, and something that Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, made a reference to while she was addressing the press. But Ashwini Vaishnav, the railway minister, is supervising the rescue work. You're seeing those live visuals right now. He has already reached the accident site. He spoke to the reporters where he said that the focus will entirely be right now on the rescue and restoration work, with passenger safety being on top priority.